With the recent conclusion of the 2024 Paris Olympics, all the medals have been awarded and each country now knows their standing in each competition. However, what if there was a way to predict some of these results before the Olympics even began? That is exactly what we will aim to do with the power of Altair AI Studio. AI Studio is a powerful tool in the Altair RapidMiner suite of software that can be used to collect, pre-process, and cleanse data, and it streamlines the process of integrating that data into custom artificial intelligence and prediction models. We will demonstrate these capabilities by analyzing men's Olympic basketball over the years to see if there are any factors that may predict which country will end up on the podium after the last game has been played. To begin, we will first need to identify a source of the data we will use in this example. We will use a website called Basketball Reference, which houses much information regarding basketball statistics from a wide range of years, events, leagues, and countries. For men's Olympic basketball, we can see the following for each year: the host country, the medal placements, the games played by each competing team, and the various overall performance metrics for each competing team. These metrics include information on field goals, three-pointers, two-pointers, free throws, rebounds, assists, blocks, steals, and personal fouls. To simplify this problem and to ensure a fair comparison between teams, we will only consider the percentage of successful field goals, three-pointers, two-pointers, and free throws. We will use Altair AI Studio to crawl this website and acquire the data we are interested in seeing. We will accomplish this with the crawl web operator, which will allow us to define a starting URL and provide crawling rules. These crawling rules use regular expressions to find URLs with matching conditions. We can then instruct the block to follow these specified links and store the information found on those pages. This will allow us to collect all the relevant data for as many previous Olympic Games as we need. Next, we will use a combination of a data-to-documents operator and a process documents operator to convert these web pages into readable information. For a deeper dive into this process, please be sure to check out some of our previous blogs and videos on the subject. In short, we will parse the HTML of each web page and extract the specific statistics from each men's Olympic basketball competition. Once we have the data in a tabular format in AI Studio, we can then use the Auto Model tool to automatically train various predictive models and compare the results. This tool allows us to select the output of the models as well as the attributes to consider when making predictions. We can also make customizations to the models before training and evaluation. After the models have been trained, we see a comparison of the success and speed of each model, which can help us to decide which implementation to pursue further. We can also take a deeper look at each model, including individual predictions, accuracy metrics, and attribute weights. AI Studio is also a powerful data visualization tool. We can generate a multitude of plots and graphs to gain a deeper understanding of the data. For example, we can create a scatter matrix to attempt to find how various inputs interact with each other to affect the output. Here, the blue dots indicate that a medal was awarded for that specific combination. From the scatter matrix, we can see that 2-point and field goal percentages seem to have a significant impact on the chances of winning a medal. We will use a scatter bubble plot to more closely analyze this relationship. We can display another attribute, such as 3-point percentage, as the size of the bubbles on the plot. If we want to see a more quantifiable relationship between the inputs and outputs, we can also generate a correlation weight table. This confirms that the 2-point and field goal percentages have the highest impact on the probability of winning a medal in men's Olympic basketball. We have just scratched the surface of data collection, preparation, and visualization in AI Studio, and we have covered some of the tool's abilities to quickly and effectively generate various predictive models. We also learned that teams interested in winning gold in Olympic basketball may want to improve their successful two-pointer and field goal percentages. To learn more about AI Studio and the broad range of software provided by Altair, please be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our blogs. As always, never hesitate to reach out to us directly at trueinsight.io.